Hello everyone, welcome to my, I think, 20th live stream. Today it's a bit unusual time during the week, but I decided to just start streaming because otherwise I can't find time to finish the query modules. So yeah, today I think I'm gonna continue working mostly on the testing side. I've managed to do like most of the stuff on the, let's say, architecture side, and all the capabilities are more or less there. So I'll just work mostly on testing. It might be a bit boring, but yeah, I'll try to cover that. As usual, please like, share, subscribe to stay in touch with the content, and yeah, let's get started. So yeah, behind me is my girlfriend, so she's doing some work. So just for now, ignore her. Let's get started. Mage. So we need the mage. Chrome. In the meantime, I did some work. I did some work on the code since last time. I'm not exactly sure what was the last I did. Let me check that just a second. So today is, that was on the 29th. So we added this, and then so this was added after the last live stream. So I've added map, I polished context a bit, edge and list. I've managed to finish these things, so I'll just go quickly through that. So oh, sorry. System. So context, I've polished that a bit, but I think I don't have the last version here. Oh, no. Just git pull, because we want to pull on this branch. Git log, polished version of list module. Yeah, that's, I think, the last one. So yeah, this is the last version. So basically, I've moved all the stuff into the Memgraph implementation. So I have this new function that constructs Memgraph objects and passes all these arguments from Memgraph here. And also I've added a vertices iterator and vertex by ID function here, because here we need access to the whole graph, and the graph is already here, stored here. So self.graph gives us a pointer to that reference. In addition, I also wrote some tests here. That's mainly testing that we run the exact function, so that vertices iter is calling MGP iter vertices function from the C API. The same happened for the edge. I mean, the same equivalent. So I've polished edge a bit, and yeah, the biggest difference is that I've removed the pub qualifier here. So these fields are not public anymore, because yeah, usually a developer, a standard user, should not deal with these pointers and these internal variables. And that then I have added that new function that will return edges iterator in this case, and that's like the same in the context. In the context object, I mean Memgraph object, and then edge as well. All these structs will have the same format, the same pattern used. And yeah, Edge also has some methods. So copy ID, Edge type, from vertex to vertex property, etc. That was Edge. Here are the tests, and we have the list. The list is also in the same. Reorganized in the same way. Yeah, I've also moved these MGP copy stuff. So the MGP copy method copies the MGP list provided by a pointer. This is not actually this function does not receive the self argument, so that's like a general function that can be used. It's just put into this namespace, and it's also only possible to call this function within this crate. So it's not regular in the regular usage. This function here should not be called. First, it's unsafe, and the second, it's not. Everything should be done under the hood. Okay, so I think we covered context, edge, and list. All the relevant details. I think map is the one that has to be updated as well. So let me just try to compile these things. So Rust RS system. Oh, sorry, I've made the same mistake 3 times. Cargo FMT and cargo build. RSMGP example. Nice. So this is it. So we can compile all these things. So yeah, let's get back to map. So here we have to do the same. So we have to remove these things here. Okay, but we have to be able to construct the map, and we need the implementation this in the same way as with the list. So we need similar code, chunk of code as here. There is the implementation. So here. So map pointer context. Yes, that's correct. Okay. What we have from these methods? So we have insert. Insert size at and iter, and we also need copy. Yeah, let me just check. So control GP procedure map. So we have MGP map. Okay, a value. That's not relevant. Map destroy. We have insert. We have size. We have at. We have item key, item. I think we are missing this method. Item value. Get value of the item mapped item. Okay. Okay, let's go. At mgp path equal, yeah, and then it's okay. So I have only add, and I need to that map item. And how to do that? Do I have that? Yeah, I have map item, but I have to create this object somehow. So the problem is that I don't have pointer to the map item object at all. No, sorry. Map item is already mapped. So when I create map item, here. Okay. I already extract these values. Yeah, sorry, I was a bit lost with this because I already extracted these values, but like error handling has to be in place here. I think. Get the key, get the item. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think there is more or less everything here in place, and we just have to polish the whole thing. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, new is done, and then insert, adds key and value, mgp result, mgp value, result mgp value. I got value, and value is here. Mgp map insert. Check the map pattern for null. What is map pattern? This pointer. But yeah, I'm gonna change this either way because of this public private stuff. But within this context we can access to that. Okay, but we can use the same pattern as here. If I do assert here, that will return me null, and that's gonna fail. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave that for now as is, and empty map is a different function, so that's something else we have to add. And yeah, size. Okay, just take a look and at the list to see what else I've done here. So iterator, that's good. List, make empty. Yeah, I need empty. Fn make empty. So for the emptiness, I think we don't need anything. And we have the context, but that's also like external method. I don't know how to do that in the most Rust way. So how to isolate this, because these methods are standalone, so they can be called from anywhere. So yeah, we have the context in this map object, but we can pass like another context in if needed. So I'll just repeat the same. For now, we can then decide later on what is okay and what's not. MGP result map. Okay. This is more or less the same code as here, I think, because just instead of list we need map make empty context memory. I think it only receives memory. Yeah. If MGP pointer is unavailable, yeah. Unable to create empty list, but we need to do the same for the map. Okay. The only difference is that we need map new. That's it. Sorry. Horrible mistake. Horrible mistake. Unable to create map. All right. So now we have the empty map. So we don't need this. That's fine. Okay. That's it for now. Insert size at iter. Yeah. Okay. What do we did? We did that, and that. Yeah. And if we compile that, I think that's going to fail. Yeah, because a list. What? I thought that I changed that, but obviously not. Yeah, and now I have the private field problem in the value. Yep, in the value on the value side, but I have the new operator, value and map. Where is that? 374. Okay, MGP value map, but I just call new and context clone. needed, not needed. I think we don't need that at all. Nope. We also pass a reference here, but we need a copy of that object, but we already did a copy here, but all from here should be removed to the map object. Yep. But for now we'll just leave copy, and we pass the context inside that new object. I think this is gonna be correct now. We might also need additional changes. Nope. Okay, great. But simplify our map structure if possible. Yeah, we're gonna just delete, move all that into the map object. So in the same way as we did with the list, so mgp copy. I need that. I have to go into map. Let's put it like here. But we don't need except I have a copy paste bug here. Unable to make map copy because map is null. Map, yep. This is completely useless, and here we need map. Okay, and then let's just fix this because we have a wrong message here. List because pointer, because list pointer is null. We have the same here in the edge. Okay. I just copy all these. Actually, map here. That has to go back into value because here we know what is going on, and mgp list, mgp copy, mgp map and context. So this is now correct code in this context, but we have to actually fix it here. So make empty. Yep. Make copy. mgp map. ptr. ptr is here. mgp map copy. Yeah. We return error if not possible to create map. We have an iterator. We iterate through the object, through the map. We insert that into the map copy, and we return back map, but mgp map copy. Okay, so here we have the map copy now. I think this should compile just to check, quickly check that. Nope. All right. This is under value, not found. Okay, map mgp copy. We are missing this here to unpack the result that can be then put into the map object. This is, I think, correct now. Let's test this. Great. Okay, I think now we have. Now we have, I think, all from the map implemented. Make map value. I think we need this here because in the same way as we need that for the list. Because we cannot just wrap in the list. We need mgp value out of the whole thing. So we need to list these things again here. And the same it's here. We just have to repeat that code somehow. All right. All right. I think we are. We are actually ready to write these tests for the map. But let's see what is possible to test. So we have that iterator, we have a bunch of stuff here. So yeah, I'll try to do that real quick by just again taking from the map, from the list, taking inspiration, as they would like to say. Let's try to do this basic ones first. So we have imports, we have test copy, but not list. Instead of list, we have a map, list size, context. Yes, so just a refresh here. This context object is providing us a mock implementation of mgp list size function. And we can specify here what's the actual value that will be returned. So in this case, 0 will be returned. And then the second object is that because we need map size context and also mgp map make empty context. The reason we are returning here null pointer because we don't know actually how to construct a real mgp map object, so we are just returning null for now. Why is that wrong here? No idea. Expected. Because it's a bit different than a map. So this is here a lambda that takes like one argument and it will return null pointer. Value is map mgp copy. It takes null pointer, yeah, and memgraph. I think that's correct. And value should be error because some of these functions will return false. But at least we are sure that we are calling size and empty method. But yeah, here we have the same problem as with the list because we did not actually test the rest of the code, which is critical in this case, and I'll try to figure out how to, in the later videos, I'll try to figure out how to inject something real here, which is not null pointer. Test make empty list. But that's like more or less the same as the above, because that's the same as the above, because but we have to okay. I have map make empty. Yep. I think now we should have 2 more tests. Of course, it failed. Map iter items. Not found. Really? Because map and copying of size is actually not called. Instead is called map iter items here. Okay, so here instead of size, make empty context. We have here 2. I think this should now be fine. But yeah, we actually don't test a lot here. We have to mgp map destroy. Wow. Mgp copy. Interesting. So this is actually good, because yeah, is null, and then we are calling mgp map destroy, and that's also something that should be actually be tested. So we need here the third context, let's say. Mgp map destroy context times 1 returning takes 1 argument. So yeah, this should be actually Now it should pass. Whoop. Expected empty. Returns nothing. What about this? Yep. Great. Now we have that working. What else? So we kind of tested copy, but yeah, we have to figure out how to return real value here so that we can progress more in calling this. We also have empty insert. We need to test insert somehow. So that's like a kind of test insert. So in order to test insert to result MGP value, we call a map make empty. How to actually test this? Because we need value. Yeah, I'll just leave that as to-dos for now because the same things apply. So I need to inject some real values in order to test this. So I'll just put a to-do here for now. But in this test is not list is a map, and it's not MGP copy because yeah, append cert. Okay, good. Yeah, we're gonna figure that out a bit later because it's a bit more complex. I really have to do the research on that side first. All right, that's one thing. And then what else? Insert size at. These are easy. So. Size, and let's again borrow from the list at size, map size, context, return 0, map null size should return 0. Yep. All right. All right. And test at. So MGP map at context expect 1 returning. What do I need for at? Map and key. So to test map and key, it return null pointer. Yeah. Map and key. Add key. Let's just assume that value is error. We need C string here. Std ffi st. No. We need the where is that? Let's go into example. We need that. That's map. We need this. It works. Yep, amazing. Great. Mod. What else we have? Make empty insert size at iter. We have to return iterator. Yeah, for that we also have an example. That's actually good because I did a lot of things here so already, so I don't have to type all these things again and again, and they are quite similar, so I'm heavily reusing this. Taste, I'll say map, empty map iterator. It depends what's gonna be called here. So let's actually see what we have. So iterator doesn't have anything, and then map iter items is called map iter items context that takes two things and it returns a pointer. So the std_ptr now mut. All right, we have to create map. Of course, I did a mistake here. Map iterator, map iterator. Iter is okay. Iter is no okay. Iter is error here because we're gonna get an error here. Okay, and I'll just quickly rename all list to map. So this is here a nice syntax. I mean, a nice way of saying that in Vim that we just rename stuff. So where we are here, a list. So we are here. List yes, 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 and yes. Nice. Okay, and what's the now? What's the state now? Boom. Okay. Let me just check. So I think we covered all the basic stuff here, and I think I'm gonna actually stop here until if once I run all the tests and everything is working. So just to be sure about that. So it works here. Example, what about example? Example also work. What about my thing here? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. What about that's fine. What did I change? So I changed edge into edge pointer, list edge into list. That's a quick fix. That's a bit better than before. Then we put this private. We also put the copy here. We add the new. We add empty map, and we added tests, and that's it. And we removed all this chunk of code from the value, which is also nice. Okay, very nice. What else to do? Yeah, let's run a Memgraph. User run user. I have to run that all command again. Yeah, I'm not sure why I don't have that in the history. Anyway, so sudo run user minus L is memgraph minus C user lib memgraph video modules directory home mg space code mage rust rs mgp example target debug, also log to std error log level n equals to trace. That should be it. Oop. Boom, from the first try. Great. So okay, we have that, and then lab. Let's quickly call Memgraph lab because we need the we need that. Okay. Okay. Now we should have that created. Yep. And then we do this. So first we reload echo call mg console and sorry, this is a bit boring, but yeah, it works here as well. Echo, okay, we good. So I'll just commit that, and yeah, we're ready to go. Git st, we good. Git commit -m add most of the map tests. Git push, boom. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's let's go back a bit, but I think we good here. So here under mage pull request we have it's still in the draft phase, but yeah, we have that commit here now. So yeah, we changed this, we removed the public here, we added new, we moved code here, we added empty, we added these tests, and this was deleted, and that's it. Yeah. Okay. Great. I think I'm gonna stop here. It was quite efficient. I think I'll figure out tomorrow how to do how to inject some real value. Hopefully I'll get this done. Maybe that's not possible because I really don't know the size of these objects up front, but we'll see. And yeah, that's it. I'll also next time I'll also have on Saturday I will have a regular live stream, and yeah, hopefully I'll make most of the stuff by then implemented, and then we'll just comment on things, and also be more focused on a concrete example of a query module in Rust. Yeah, I just realized I was a bit rude at the beginning to my girlfriend, so I'll try to fix that next time. Try to call him as well, call her here as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and yeah, see you on Saturday again. Bye bye.